Fulton County DA Fani Willis is asking a judge to throw out Donald Trump and the other election interference defendants' request for an estimated $17 million in legal fees. Channel 2's Richard Elliott is live at the state capitol, where a new Georgia law insists her office is on the hook for that money.
Was written specifically for Fani Willis in the election interference case. If she got disqualified, happened if the charges against the defendants were dismissed, which also happens, then her office could be on the hook for all of those legal fees. But more than one person says they're not sure that law is legal. In her new filing, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis calls the estimated $17 million legal bill for Donald Trump and the other election interference defendants, quote, a suitably preposterous sum. In her motion to have that bill thrown out, Willis says some of the claims include $1,000 a night hotel rooms and seafood lunches costing hundreds of dollars, often, she claims, paid for by the Georgia Republican Party and various Trump PACs. Quote, the defendants are asking that the district attorney's budget and the taxpayer funds be handed over to the Trump campaign and the Georgia Republican Party for expenses including luxury hotels and seafood lunches.
Richard, there are a number of issues that we raised in our filing.
We spoke with Georgia Prosecuting Attorneys Council Director Pete Scandalakis. After a judge disqualified Fani Willis from the case, Scandalakis had to take it over and eventually dismissed all the charges. He didn't want to comment on Willis's newest filing, but he also filed his own motion saying he didn't feel the law that allowed Trump and the others to get their legal bills paid by Fulton County taxpayers was constitutional, a law passed specifically for Fani Willis and this case.
And then you have the overall problem with, is it constitutional? And that's another issue we raised.
While a judge will have to decide, Willis writes in her motion that her office has no plans to pay the $17 million bill. Quote, the district attorney has no intention of allowing Fulton County taxpayers to pay such an absurd amount for such an absurd reason. Now, we did reach out to President Trump's Georgia attorney Steve Sadow for comment. Have not heard back. We're live at the state capitol. Richard Elliott, Channel 2 Action News.